Hi crafters, come on in. Welcome back to Cricut Creations with Charlease, where we're learning how to use our Cricut machines together. Last time we got together, which was a couple of weeks ago, we created this water bottle with my name on it. It's a little just slightly blingy, but it's subtle, and I like that. But I want a matching cozy to go with it. So today we're gonna put something on this black cozy, and black on black. I want it to be subtle, but me. And let's see, I'm going to put I think I was just gonna put Fit and Fabulous on this cozy. That's the name. Fit and Fabulous with Charlease is the name of my fitness channel. And I'm just going to put Fit and Fabulous on here. So the first thing that I want to do is to determine how much of this space on the cozy I'm going to use. The maximum amount that I'm going to use. And I'm thinking no more than 3 inches wide. And it could be as much as 3 inches tall, whatever the design is that I use. And I think, let's see, Fit and Fabulous. I'm probably going to do 3. I'm going to do Fit, the and sign, and Fabulous on the bottom. And I need to make sure that it stays within that 3 by 3 measurement. Okay. All right, let me turn you around and we're going to start a new project. Okay, guys, I'm going to try to do this with me holding the camera. We're going to come over here to text. All right. And let's see. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and type in, and I'm using that same font that I used on my water bottle, Catchland, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and type in Fit and Fabulous, and I'll be right back. Okay, I typed in Fit and Fabulous, but you see it's way too big. And if you can see right down there is 75%. Let's bump it down. Let's see, 50%. Yeah, we can see it better. And then I'm going to come over here to more. And this is where I can unlock. And then I can, remember I said I want it to be no more than 3 by 3. So, wait a minute, let me see if I can. 3 by 3. And then I'm going to lock it. Okay. Ooh, that looks tiny up there. But it is 3 inches by 3 inches, and that's as much as I need it to be. See, it's 3 inches by 3 inches. Yeah. Okay. That's kind of far apart. I don't know. What do you think? That's fine. It's just a cozy, right? Let's see. Yeah. Okay. It's 3 by 3. Let's move it up. So I'm going to cut a piece of vinyl that's going to be Well, dang, I must have this thing way down too far. Let's see. Is that 2 inches? Okay. Let's move this up. And I'm going to cut a piece of vinyl that's like, I'm gonna give myself a half. I'm gonna do like 4.5 by 4.5. Yeah. All right. Or I could just, I'm thinking, guys, I'm gonna cut a piece that's 4.5. Yeah, 4.5. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I cut me a piece of vinyl, 4.5 by 4.5, and I put it on the mat. Shiny side down for heat, for heat transfer vinyl. Yes. Okay, so we are ready to make it. All right, click on Make It. And Design Space is doing its thing. Okay, there it is, Fit and Fabulous. And this is heat transfer, so we want to mirror it. Okay, and continue. Now Design Space is looking for my Cricut machine, and it has found it. And we're going to use holographic sparkle iron-on. Okay, and I love how they always alert you to make sure that you've mirrored, because you're telling the machine that you're using iron-on. Okay, then the blade is already loaded, so all I have to do is go over and load my mat. Okay, mat is loaded, and we just want to hit, well, not loaded yet. Now it's loaded. And we just want to hit the go button. And let Cricut do its thing. And this is a small project, so it shouldn't take long at all. Okay, it's 100% done. It's telling me to unload the mat. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, we can click on done. And we are ready to weed. All right, crafters, there's been a change of plans. When I cut the Fit and Fabulous out, it looked real dinky to me. So I decided that wasn't what I wanted. So I went back in and I just did Fabulous. And I'm going to put that on. And I think that's going to look much better than the Fit and Fabulous that I was trying to put up there. Yeah, I'm kind of liking that. I'll be back. You see that? It just does fit. But I think it's going to look fabulous. And I'm using my little presser. What do they call? Do they call this anything? Power press. Yeah, I got this from Amazon. Yeah, I'll link it down in the description box. And it doesn't have a temperature gauge that shows numbers, but it has, like, I think the first is low, then the one in the middle is medium, and then the very top would be high. And I'm going in the middle because we're using neoprene, and the guide says for holographic sparkle 280 for 20 seconds. So I don't know what 280 is, but I know it's somewhere in the middle, so that's what we're going to do. So I'm just waiting for it to heat up, and then I'll press it. All right, crafters, here's the finished product. And I think it turned out fabulous. And on the other side, I put the word fit. So I didn't get the fit and fabulous that I originally started out with, but fit on one side and fabulous on the other side, I think works just fine. Whew, I really should use my Cricut machine more often so that I can become more comfortable, you know, in making different projects, because when you go weeks in between, you forget the things that you learned on your last project. But anyway, so now I have my water tumbler and a Koozie. Yeah. All right, guys, I'll be back with some other projects. I have a hoodie that I want to put Fit and Fabulous with Charlease on YouTube on the back of that hoodie. That's the plan right now. Let's see, and I have some mugs that I want to do for gifts. So there's some projects coming up. I just have to get up the nerve to do them. And mistakes happen, but that's okay. We're learning how to use our Cricut machines together. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.